Let's see how to deploy our Angular project using Git pages. So I'm opening my browser. So here I'm going to my GitHub. So let's start with creating a new repository. So I'm going to create an Angular app of my resume. So let's create a repository as resume. I'm keeping it as public, so I'm adding a readme file and then I'm creating a repository. So here I have created my repository, so I'm going to clone it to my local machine. I'm opening my Visual Studio Code. So here I'm in my source folder. So here I'm going to clone it. The command is git clone and the SSH key. So now it's cloned. Let's change the directory to the repository folder. So I'm opening the terminal. So now we are inside our repository folder. So after cloning our repository, let's create an Angular project. Ng new my resume. So this command will create a Angular project. So we use CSS. So this has been installed successfully. So now it's ready to use. So what I'm going to do is in app component.html I'm going to remove all those things and add a h1 tag. Type a message. This is my resume. So this is the message I have typed here. So the next thing we are going to do is build. So before building this, I'm going to modify some things, which is in angular.json. So the base is going to be docs. In the browser, let's leave it empty. So after this, I'm going to run a command ng build --space -href is going to be the repository name, my resume. So after running this command is not valid, so we have to go one step up. Like this, we want to build it. So I'm expecting the docs folder. So you can see the docs folder is created without browser folder. So here the index.html is. From here it will show the my resume. So I will simply add commit and push. So it has been pushed. Let's check our repository. So here when we push, it will automatically start the git action. So let's keep track. So now the build is running here, successful, and deploy is also successful. So now when you go to this, you can see the output. This is my resume. So this is how you will create or deploy your Angular application using the GitHub pages. Thank you.